This is a quick video. Welcome to Simple IELTS Solutions. I'm Simon. We're going to talk about adding adjectives in IELTS speaking. Many of my students say to me, I don't know how to be more descriptive, and they give very short answers. And they can fix this by adding adjectives. It's a very easy thing to do, but not many students think about it. For instance, a question may ask, "What birthday I had a party at home, there was music or better," and it would make it also a lot more interesting. So, what did you do to celebrate your last birthday? On my last birthday, I had a massive party at home. My best friends came and gave me wonderful presents. So, by just adding adjectives to describe the